Today, I'm at Kuala Lumpur International Airport, travelling domestic to the city called Kuantan. I'll be flying Malaysia Airlines Business Class this time. Let's explore the services at their check-in counter. Malaysia Airlines often offering bid for upgrade option on their website, and there's always higher chance of success for domestic flights. After checking in, let's head to the lounge. Malaysia Airlines Domestic Golden Lounge is located at Terminal A, next to Gate 2 at the main terminal building. I'm early today, so you get to experience how the lounge feels with less crowd. For families with kids, this is something you don't want to miss. It's often quite difficult to find spaces for kids to play, so it's definitely worth it if you are visiting this lounge on domestic route. I also wanted to say thanks for watching this video. I'll do more of these videos if you like. Make sure you're subscribed to get the notifications on. This is quite spacious for a domestic operated lounge. Having large couches and spaces are definitely a bonus for me. There are a couple of sandwiches and mini burger options, and quite a few selections of sweet treats here. What I love about is that they always have Nasi Lemak in the lounge. served with sambal, fried anchovies and variety of sides. Here, you can also order eggs cooked in a few ways. There is also another serving section with breads, salad, yogurts, cereals, and other staple Western options. And when I saw this noodle station, I know that is what I needed. I've ordered the KLIA noodle soup to start with. I've also had Nasi Lemak, coffee and salad after this. I've decided to head to the gate a little earlier, so I can show you all the rest of the airport and gate. To me, taking Malaysia Airlines domestic flights here always feel less chaotic, and I feel a lot more relaxed here. Today, we are on the new Airbus 737-8, the 2-2 single aisle seat configuration. Another delicious refreshment, murtabak, a stuffed pan-fried roti with curry. I think they used to serve satay, but I'm quite happy with this. It was a short and pleasant journey, but the service was really good. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Leave a comment and let us know what you think of Malaysia Airlines. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.